In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoho One trial in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided that Zoho One isn't the right fit for your needs, or you simply want to ensure your trial doesn't automatically convert into a paid plan, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Zoho One account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that you set up initially. It's always a good idea to double check that you're inputting the right email address and password. Once you're logged in, you should be on your Zoho One dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all things related to your account. Next, look for your profile icon. Typically, this is located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu, giving you access to several account options. Among those, you'll want to navigate to the subscription section. This is where you can manage your current trial or any active subscriptions you might have. As you explore the subscription section, one of the options you will find is to cancel your trial. Selecting this option will initiate the cancellation process for your Zoho One trial. Doing this intentionally and carefully is crucial, as it will affect your access to Zoho's suite of applications. A word of advice here: make sure you're ready to cancel, as you might lose access to any saved data or customizations unless backed up. Upon clicking cancel, you'll notice a confirmation pop up on your screen. This is designed to ensure that you indeed want to proceed with cancelling your account. It serves as a final checkpoint to verify your decision before proceeding with any irreversible actions. At this point, the system will ask you to provide a reason for your cancellation. This feedback is invaluable to companies like Zoho because it helps them understand their users' needs better. Be honest and concise in your explanation, as it could contribute to future improvements in the services offered. Once you've entered your reason, the final step is to click on Cancel My Zoho One Account. By doing so, you confirm your decision and your trial will be cancelled. You should receive a notification or email confirming this, ensuring that the cancellation has been successfully processed. And there you have it, you've successfully cancelled your Zoho One trial. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to contact Zoho's customer support team for help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, feel free to like this video or subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.